already, bro. I know.
Them BRZs today, boy.
Yeah, I know. They're the only ones they can catch.
Hey, hello, bitch, I'm rich, but I'm still ghetto. Hello, fucked on that bitch in her home on the metro. Hello, wait, hold up, Mexican plug named Pedro. Serving that yo-yo. He do what I say cause I got him on payroll. Hello, bitch, I'm rich, but I'm still ghetto. Hello, fucked on that bitch in her home on the metro. Hello, wait, hold up, Mexican plug named Pedro.
Oh, come on, with the fucking mud already, bro. Don't stop. Hell yeah, boy. Let's go.
He do what I say cause I got him on payroll. She call my phone and I answer like hello. Yo bitch a groupie and my bitch is yellow. I make a big jig with that booty like jello. Bitch I'm on the court and I'm ballin' like Mello. Hello, she ride my dick like Camaro. Y'all know that quiero, dinero. Motherfuck Cupid, don't shoot me no arrow. She wanna fuck cause I'm fly like a sparrow. What the fuck? I put the dope in the double cup. You cannot kick it with none of us. Nigga you sweet like a buttercup. I'm in first place, you a runner up. Dropped out of school just to run it up. Nigga you broke, get your money up. Thought that and you get the uppercut. What the fuck?
Oh no! What happened?
Hello, bitch, I'm rich, but I'm still ghetto.
Oh yes!
In her home on the metro. Hello, wait, hold up, Mexican plug named Pedro. Serving that yo-yo. He do what I say cause I got him on payroll. Hello, bitch I'm rich but I'm still ghetto. Hello, fucked on that bitch in her home on the metro. what I say, cause I got him on payroll.
Walk in, smell like gas. Put 5 holes in the cab. Vroom, 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 I hit the dash. You shop in at H&M, I shop at Saks. Check my bitch out, she bad. You bitches broke and sad. Back it came in cash. Russia broke bitch, but she got a fat ass.
Oh, hell nah. Oh! Woo! That was almost death right there. Damn, son. No fucking way, dude. Yo!
Me tonight. Gotta make the rain light. Good shirt on and my shoes off white. Cartier shades, can't see my eyes. Hello, plug, serve me up in a sombrero. I paid on pesos. I sleep with a Draco.
Bitch, I'm rich, but I'm still ghetto. Hello,
hello, fuck that bitch in her home on the metro.
Hello, wait,
hold up, Mexican plug named Pedro.
Serving that yo-yo.
He do what I say cause I got him on payroll.
Hello, bitch, I'm rich, but I'm still ghetto. Hello,
fuck that bitch in her home on the metro.
Hello, wait,
hold up, Mexican plug named Pedro.
Serving that yo-yo. He do what I say cause I got him on payroll.
Have you ever had a dreams that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?